In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a Squarespace domain. Forwarding your domain can be an essential part of managing your website's presence. Whether you're redirecting traffic to a new site or simply organizing your domain setup more efficiently. Let's dive right in, and we'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Squarespace dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your Squarespace account. You can access it by logging in with your Squarespace credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to manage your website's content and settings. Next, you'll need to click on the Domain section within your dashboard. This is where you can view and manage all of the domains associated with your account. If you haven't purchased a domain through Squarespace yet, you'll also find options to do so here. Looking at your list of domains, pick the one you want to forward. This might be your main domain, or perhaps a secondary one that you've acquired. After selecting the domain you wish to manage, you'll notice several options appear. Click on Email. This section allows you to set up forwarding rules, which is what we need to focus on today. Forwarding a domain involves creating specific rules or aliases that tell the system where to redirect incoming requests for that domain. Now, locate the Add Rule button and give it a click. This is where you'll define the pathway for your domain forwarding. Here, you'll need to enter an email alias. An alias is essentially the specific portion of the email address preceding the @ symbol, @. It acts as a placeholder and can be anything you decide, like info or support. Once you've chosen your alias, enter the email address you want to forward to in the provided field. This address will be the final destination for any traffic or email routed through your domain's alias. Choosing the right forwarding address is crucial, as it should be an active and monitored email that can handle incoming messages or notifications. Finally, after you've inputted these details, click Save to finalize the changes. This action activates the forwarding rule, redirecting traffic or emails as per your configuration settings. Don't forget to check back to ensure everything is working smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up domain forwarding on Squarespace. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy website managing!